Good day, class. Today I'm going to explain proper nouns to you. In the next slide, you'll see I made it more fun and easier to learn and to remember. I am going to explain proper nouns in the format of a poem. The title of the poem is Capital Letters Show Respect. Every name deserves respect. That's a grammar rule you can't neglect. If it's a person like Sarah or John, a capital letter must go on. Places too, like Cape Town Shore, or Africa, we ride them with more. Days like Monday, months like May, start with capitals every day. Schools and shops and companies too, like Aarhus University, big letters will do. Titles like Doctor, Pastor or King begin with capitals, that's the thing. A common noun is general and small, but proper nouns stand proud and tall. So when a word has a special name, capital letters are part of the game. Remember this rule, it's simple and clear. Proper nouns get capitals here. So when we look at the poem, you will see that each line starts with a capital letter, and that is also to remember you that we are working with proper nouns. After reading the poem, I still think it's necessary to do a quick practice on proper nouns. Which words in the sentences are proper nouns? Number 1, I met James on Friday in Cape Town. Number 2, we visited Kruger National Park. I met James on Friday in Cape Town. I would say James should start with a capital letter because it's a name of a person. Friday should start with a capital letter because it's a day of the week. And Cape Town should start with a capital letter because it's the name of a place. Number 2. We visited Kruger National Park. Kruger National Park should start with capital letters because it's the name of a place. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, boys and girls, and I really hope you can learn something from it. Thanks for listening along.